Uh, Oke, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Before I start my presentation here, I would like to introduce myself first. My name is Barik Ariba. My student number is 20200430 and 035, and the lessons is macroeconomics. I am from International Program for Islamic Economics and Finance, Department of Economics, Faculty of Economics and Business, Universitas Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta. And here, in this opportunity, I would like to explain to you all about my presentation here is there are three material that I will explain. There is national income accounting, consumption and investment, and the last is income and spending. Let's move to the next slide. Here, for the first explanation is the national income accounting. National income means the value of goods and services produced by a country during a financial year. Thus, it is the net result of all economic activities of any country during a period of 1 year and is valued in terms of money. Government bookkeeping system that measures a country economic activity, offering insight into how an economy is performing, such as a system will include total revenue by domestic corporations, wages paid and sales, and income tax data for companies. The second one is the explanation is from the national income accounting. Move to the next slide. Let's move to the next slide. We can say we can look at here. There is a benefits of calculating national income. First, we can knowing the level of prosperity of country, evaluating the performance of the economy at a certain scale, measure change in the economy over time, and comparing economic performance between sectors, and etc. In the next slide, this is the concept of national income or the component of the national income accounting. There is either gross domestic product or GDP, gross national product, net national netto, net national income, personal income, and disposable income. Here, the disposable income is what we use for our daily life, for our consumption. Move to the next slide. Two main methods of measuring GDP. There are two methods. There is expenditure approach and income approach. What is expenditure approach? Here is the way to calculate national income using the method is to add up the dollar value at the current market price of all final goods and services. And the income approach is to add up all components of national income, including wage, interest, rent, and profits, both in government and community sectors, or we can say in all sectors. The next slide is the explanation about the real value and nominal value. Nominal value is measurements in terms of the actual market prices at which goods are sold, expressed in current dollars, also called money values. And the real value is measurement after adjustments have been made for change in the average of prices between years expressed in constant dollar. This is the last explanation about the national income accounting. We move to the next material, that is the consumption and investment. What is consumption and investment? Consumption is the use of goods and services that directly meet human needs. Consumption or personal consumption expenditure is expenditure by household and goods on goods. Expenditure by household on goods and services. And what is investment? Investment is an activity to save or place funds in a certain period with the hope that the deposit will lead to a gain or increase in investment value. This I take from the Mankiw theory. Based on the Mankiw theory, consumption is goods, or the definition of consumption is goods or services purchased by consumption households. From perishable goods, the first is the item that wears out in time short, such as food and clothing. Second one is a durable item. What is durable item? Durable item or durable goods are items that they are owned by a long life or in a long time, such as cars, television, and tool electronics. And the third one, or the last one we can say, is a service. Service here is including work performed for a consumer by individuals and companies such as haircut and treatment doctor. This is the function of the consumption based on the Mankiw theory before from the last slide we can see. Here the function is C equal with CO plus CY, where the C here is the constant or household consumption when income is 0. C is the marginal propensity to consume where 0 less than C more than 1, where C is consumption and Y is the level of income. And the type of investment, the investment is have their types. There are 3 types of investment, and there are 2 types here we can see in this slide. Investment in asset finance can be divided into 2, namely direct investment and investment indirect. Direct investment, which can be done by buying assets finance that can be traded on the money market, capital market, or derivative market. And then an indirect investment, which can be done by buying letters investment companies such as mutual funds. And then income and spending. Income. What is the meaning of income? Income is money what an individual or business receive in exchange for providing labor, producing a good or services, or through investing capital. Individuals most often earn income through wage or salary. Businesses earn income from selling goods or services above their cost of production. And then the spending. Spending is aggregate expenditure are the amount spent on goods and services in an economy. It includes consumption spending, investment spending, government spending, and purchases by foreigners. Typically, consumption accounts for the bulk of aggregate expenditure. And the next is the explanation of aggregate demand and aggregate output. Aggregate demand is the total quantity of goods demanded in the economy. Aggregate demand is determined by AD, or aggregate demand, equal with C plus Y plus I plus G plus NX. NX is net export. We can have it from the export minus import. And the equilibrium output or market balance is the price that occurs when the quantity of goods demanded equals the quantity supplied. In the next slide, we can see that and gross investment. This for the calculation under the function of net and gross investment based on the slide. Okay, I think that's all from my presentation or my explanation about the national income accounting, consumption and investment, and the spending and income. I think that's all. Thank you for your all kind attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.